ranch. We're in my kitchen today, but I'd show you how to do duck confit. Something you can do with the duck legs. Super easy. Actually, the whole process takes 5 minutes to actually do. The rest of the time is waiting for it to cure and waiting for it to cook. So let's get started. First off, you need a package of duck legs. We sell them in packs of 2. If you're going to do this, you might want to get a couple. I've already got some right here thawed out. Pretty much your cure is salt, and I'm going to go ahead and weigh it. You want to do a 2-to-1, maybe even a 3-to-1 ratio of salt. So about 6 ounces of salt. And grab a mixing bowl. So we did our 6 ounces of salt. We need about 2.5 ounces, 3 ounces of sugar. And basically, whatever seasoning you want. My own chicken rub. You can do whatever poultry seasoning you want. Just mix it all together. And then you're just going to dump it straight over everything. Make sure you get all the little nooks and crannies. And you're going to put that in your fridge overnight, up to 2 or 3 days. So I did these actually 2 days ago, and I've already washed off all the salt and sugar. Do that to these now. Okay, so all it does is take all the excess water out, get a nice, deep, richer color on the meat. It'll be a lot firmer, and pretty much it's really this easy. Fill every nook and cranny up that you can in your pot. It really is this simple. You're just going to dump your duck fat over until it completely submerges it. Yeah, you basically just want it to cover everything. And you turn your heat up to about medium. You don't want to deep fry it. It's almost like if it was water, you'd be simmering. You can also do it in a low oven. Set the oven for 250. Put it in. You're just waiting for that meat to be at temperature, 160 degrees. Low and slow is better. And you'll definitely notice a little change in the texture of the meat. And I will see you guys in about 3 hours. Alright, hey guys, we're back. It's been about 3 hours. We just had our family dinner. And it's time to take this stuff off. Show you what we got. So basically we got fried duck legs. And we've just done them super low and slow. legs to stay up, but the meat to stay buried. We're just gonna take our fat and cover it completely. What we'll do is we'll leave our legs sitting up just a little bit, give us a little handhold. We can throw that into the fridge, and that will keep for a month. And it's going to probably remind you a little bit of ham. It's going to have that kind of salty, more dense texture to it. But yeah, you can pull one of these out, shred it, make a quesadilla, throw it in your omelet, put it on a salad. The sky's the limit. But yeah, this will stay good in your fridge for 1 month. And as long as it's totally covered with the fat, no air is going to get in there, nothing's going to happen. It's going to form a nice solid layer on top. Alright, as always, like, subscribe, all that good jazz.